In this tutorial, we're going to talk about how to screen record in Macbook. Go to QuickTime Play and open it, and we'll cancel it. Now we go to the play, right click, and we'll go to new screen recording. Now new screen recording, we'll go to, there are a lot of options in these are for taking screenshot, not for video. And uh, uh, this for taking the record the entire screen, and these are for a portion of the video. If you can see that you can should only the portion of the record only the portion, but you can, with this you can put full video. You can save it in desktop. Also you can put an timer for 5 seconds, 10 seconds. Also you can put microphone on or microphone off. And you can also record it. None, you can record it. Now we are recording it. To stop, we put here, press here, and we get this.